All right, 3D, for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a slab roller, and you have to have permission to use this, and sometimes I have students take a test to use it. So what you see when you look at this is there are two fabric pieces. Typically, one side should be white and one side should be for red. I have a lot of students this year that couldn't follow that direction, okay? So that's why the fabric's messy. I need to wash it. This pops off and on. There's a metal beam at the bottom and a notch in the bottom of the wood, so it just clips on. On this side, there are numbers that correlate with inches, and then there's a knob that moves this up or down for sizing. Same on this side. There's a numbers here and this knob. So let's say I'm wanting to roll a slab up. What I would do is I would figure out what thickness of the slab I want. Typically, I tell students to use 1/2 inch or 3/8. I'm going to set this on 3/8, so I just rolled this to size. Now I need to lean and I need to start twisting this till the knob is at 3/8. Perfect. So when you use this, both sides control the level of the inside. Okay. What I would do next is I would lay one piece of fabric on the bottom and gently slide it underneath the roller in the middle. I have my hunk of clay that's been wedged, okay, has to be wedged. I would put this on here. I would hammer this down some so it fits and I can easily glide this through. I'm going to lay my fabric on top and slide the fabric under the roller. Right, now, I do not put my hands anywhere near the roller. I make sure that this bar is tightened. I'm going to pull the fabric till it stops on the clay. I'm going to figure out which way I need to roll this, and I'm going to roll it through. It looks pretty good. So let's say I'm going to just roll it back through just to make sure. Okay, so now I have a piece of clay that is all the same thickness. What I need to do next, I can't just go and use this, okay? Even though I wedged, I have to compress the clay. So what I would do next is I would get my water bottle and my scraper. I would spritz this with water, pull this diagonally on the top. If I see any air bubbles, which I do, I see a few small ones, pop them, compress again, make it smooth. Flip this over, spritz it, compress it, and I see air bubbles, so I need to pop those. And it's good, okay? So you roll it through, compress, front and back. If you put the fabric through the roller and you take this to your desk and you start building, let's say a plate or a cup with it, and all I see are fabric marks from this, you forgot to compress and I will tell you to redo it. I do not like when kids just roll a slab, they peel it off and they go build with it. You have to compress the clay. You have to compress to get those air bubbles out, to even the moisture and the particles.